Good day, my name is Joseph Ian Imberon. I'm a student of Bachelor of Science Marine Engineering, section Stream D. PMA lessons is important in my program because it trains me to adapt to challenges and the pressures that come with the maritime profession. Life at sea is unworkable with risks as a long isolation and emergencies. Resilience equips me to stay strong, focused, and my positive this college, which is essential for being an effective and reliable supplier. The course will help me fulfill my dream of becoming a successful seafarer by stimulating my mindset, discipline, and problem-solving skills. It will guide me to handle stress, maintain motivation, and stay committed to my responsibilities on board with relations. I will not only overcome hardship at sea but also grow into a competent, professional, and successful seafarer.